data at rest, data in transit, data in use. So what do these things mean? Real quickly, data at rest is just what it says. It's when the data is stored on your computer, stored on your laptop, stored on your mobile device, whatever. It's stored there. It needs to have some level of protection. Normally, that's just encryption or a way to lock it down to where only certain people can get to that information if it is important. Then you have data in transit, making sure that when the data is moving from point A to point B, it had only the people who need access to that data have access. And so it can be encrypted from point A to point B, and it can be only opened by the person who's on the other side of it. And then you have data in use, making sure that if the data is being processed or being accessed, it can only be accessed by those who have the privileges to access. And that's where you get into like the law of least privilege, making sure that if a person needs to get in that file, they can. If they can't, then no, there's zero trust. Only people who have a need to get into that file can get into that file. So that's data in use, data at rest, data in transit, and I think backups kind of speak for itself. But these are PRDS is data security, and that's very important in your whole structure, because backups gets into recovery and restoring your system and all that kind of. So it kind of maps to a whole bunch of other things when you're talking about overall data security. Super important. And before I go on any further, you guys should know that book that I put out that's actually right now on Amazon. Link is in bio. Link is in description. Or you can just go to my website and you'll find the link there. The book is now 99 cents. I'm looking for reviews. That's why it's so cheap. It will not be 99 cents for long. So if you got it for free, awesome. Good for you. Now it's been increased. And it's going to keep increasing until, I'm going to get some reviews on it. And then it just goes up to the regular price. Now I do have some other things, like if you follow me, if you're on my newsletter, I'll give out free stuff all the time. So, you don't have to be worried of these things I'm talking about. Like I'll give these things to you for free from time to time. Okay, let's get back into this.